do a little video about how things are. People, I say on my videos, you know, that I'm building cars on a very tight budget. I just want to put into perspective how tight my budget is. Since my partner lost her shop, and I'm like £1 above minimum wage with my job, things are getting really hard, especially building cars, having money to buy parts for the cars. Let's put this into perspective. Me having to buy the water pump to fix my Mark III Golf because it's my daily, the water pump video I done last, that's it's pretty much ruined us for the month. We've just gone to a food bank. We just went to a food bank. Never thought at my age now I'd be standing up in a queue in a food bank having to wait to get some free tins and food to last us the week because we just haven't got anything. That's how bad things have got. So yeah, just letting people know that when I say I'm building cars on a tight budget, I mean I'm on a fucking tight budget. Like, I have to sell things that I've got to get the money to buy things I need, and just buying the water pump for the Golf has meant that we had to go to a food bank. That's just how tight it is. So if you're used to seeing YouTubers that go out and, oh, I'm going to buy this, I'm going to buy that, let's go to Darkside Developments and get a car tuned, and all these people like Auto Alex and that, they're actually making a living from YouTube. I'm just doing it because I like it. Yeah, it's a bit of a ranting video, but well, it's not even a rant. Just letting you know that's how tight the budget is for me and my cars. Not even sure if I'm going to post this video, but it's just a pungent day, if that's the right word. Going to a food bank at 46 years old because you're struggling to have enough money to buy food. It's not where I thought I'd be at 46. Catherine's still looking for a job daily. Hopefully once she gets a job, then we'll be alright. But the minute I'm paying all the bills, and I don't get paid enough to pay all the bills. So anyway, she's coming back to the car now. See you in the next one.